Hi, hello, welcome to Stay Tuned channel. Today we are going to see NCERT grade 9 Beehive poem number 1, The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. So before I tell you the summary of this poem, let me tell you something about the poet Robert Frost, who was born in San Francisco in the year 1874, and he spent most of his adult life in rural New England. His poetry is identified with the region. So you can see the region England in his poems. Unlike his contemporaries, Frost chose not to experiment with new verse forms but to enjoy traditional patterns. He chose the old fashioned way to the new. Despite the surface cheerfulness and descriptive accuracy of his poems, he often presents a dark, sober vision of life, and there is a decidedly thoughtful quality to his work. Some of Robert Frost's best known poems are Mending Wall, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening, etc. So, the main theme of the poem, The Road Not Taken, is indecision, followed by the theme of regret. So, he was not able to make decision properly, and later he regrets for his decision. The Road Not Taken deals with the dilemma that a man faces in life. The two roads serve as a metaphor for the choice we make in life. Life throws many alternatives. The choice we make has far reaching consequences. The impact that our choice will make on our lives can also not be foreseen. Hence, our decision should not be a shot in the dark. We may take a unique path and succeed, or a common one and fail. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Therefore, do not hesitate to retract if you face situations that make you unhappy. So, let us see the summary of the poem in detail. In the poem, The Road Not Taken, Robert Frost makes a fascinating use of two roads as a metaphor for life. The two roads stand for the choices we make in life. Frost combines rustic simplicity with hidden, indirect, and implied meaning in the poem. The poet comes upon a fork in a path or a road in the woods. It is autumn and the leaves are turning its color to yellow, from green to yellow. He looks down on both paths as he is unsure which path he should take. He would like to take both, but that is not possible. He looks down the path as far as he can see and then decides to take the grassy path as it seems less worn or less used by the others. But on further introspection, the paths appear the same. The fallen leaves on the path seem fresh and walked on. The narrator reflects on how he plans to return someday in the future to take the road not taken, but suspects that he probably would not be able to do so. Instead, he hopes in the future he would be able to share his experiences and the choices that had made the change in his life.